single day I'm gonna make something great.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your girl Eve, and I missed you guys. I missed you. Happy New Year. So guys, I have good news for you. I got myself a ring light. Yay! Just check on it. Guys, I didn't do a review of my ring light because I had already unboxed it. I couldn't wait, guys. I couldn't wait. So I did the unboxing all by myself. I couldn't wait to see what was inside, so I'll just share a video of what I have. So starting from now on, you're going to see changes on my videos. They're gonna be, you know, visible, like you're gonna see the highlight, everything. Yes, I'm ready to give you the best, guys. I'm ready to give you the best in 2020. So we're going to start with my bare face. As you can see, I don't have any makeup on. I've been really maintaining my face. Yeah, skincare routine, guys. Skincare is the in thing. Yeah, always take care of your skin, even if you're doing makeup. That's a tip that you don't want to miss. And I shared my skincare routine. I'll attach the video here at the end of the video, so you can check it out if you haven't, and see how I normally in my skincare routine. I mean, you can see my skincare routine. So guys, today we are doing an eyebrow tutorial. Yeah, and if you can see, my eyebrows are not that much, but I'm gonna make them look cute. So I've just done lip gloss just to moisturize my face, my lips. So let's get into the video. So today we are doing eyebrows only. Eyebrows. Yes, this video was requested by most of the people here, my fans. So this is an updated version of it. So I decided I'll do this separately and go step by step as I show you how I do my eyebrows. So the first step that I do, I normally take the setting powder, and I have to set my eyebrows. This helps when you draw your eyebrows, like the makeup won't move. It won't move because you've already set your eyebrows. So I'll start with this, and I'm going to show you how I do it. So I'll take my edge sponge here. I'll just tap it, a bit of it, then just do a little. Yes, so I just set that area there, like so. And to the next step, I'm going to take my Davis eyebrow pencil, this in the shade number 3. So always make sure your pencil is very sharp. You see that? And to the next step, I'll take my spoolie brush. This is a spoolie brush. This is what you use to like brush your eyebrows. So I'll go in and brush them. See that, guys? Then you kind of shape them. So after that process, I'm going to take my small mirror here and my pencil. Then I'll start with the lower area, and I'm going to do the line, yeah. Then onto the upper side, I'm going to draw that line. See that, guys? See that? So it all depends whether you want a tiny, like a tiny line, or just a normal one. So like me, I love thick eyebrows, yeah, so this size is good. So I'm going to fill in. So when doing this, just do it lightly, just don't do the harsh lines, so that it can look as natural as possible. So onto this area here, I just bring the hairs like you're doing it upwards, like so. Remember, we have this part here has to be very light, while the other end has to be visible, yeah. So I don't know whether that makes sense. So make sure you brush this area here to get that natural look. See that, guys? See that? See how lighter it is from here to here? So you can go add a little bit of color at the end. Then brush it. See that, guys? See that? Hope it's visible, guys. Hope it's visible. So I'll go in and clean up my brows. So this is the moment that you want to clean up your eyebrows, and I'm going in with LA Girl concealer. I use two shades, yeah. So this is the lighter shade, and this is darker. The darker one, I'll just put it on top. Then this other one, it's gonna be on this lower area here. So I always use the lighter shade on the lower part. So I'm going to do this very fast, like so. Then see, there are two different shades, yeah. So this other shade, it's like my own shade, because I don't want to do a lighter shade here, then blending will be a problem. So I will start with this brush here. I'm taking my small mirror here. I'll just tap it like so. So you have to make that lines perfect. Perfecto. So that is it for the lower part. So I'm going in and clean my brush, then do the upper part. I'll take this other darker shade here. So make sure you clean up and clean up. So that part is done. You see that shade is my color. See that it's blended so well, and I've not even blended that part. So that's why always I use a darker shade on the upper part. So as you can see, this area here needs to be blended. So I'll go in with this same color here that I used on the upper part, then try to blend this out. See that, guys? So I'll take this other brush here, this one, and blend properly. So guys, I did this other eyebrow off camera. I didn't want to repeat the whole process. So, and what I do when I'm cleaning this angle here, I have to like make it tally with this so that I can see whether they are equal. So I always bring it here as I brush the other side. So always make sure your eyebrows are twins, not sisters. So, and I'll go in and now separate them. I'll now separate these twins like so. And voila, we're done. Very simple, guys, very simple. We are done. So I'll do the rest of the makeup off camera because I don't want this video to be too long. I just wanted it specifically for the eyebrow tutorial. So guys, you'll see my final look after I have done the full makeover with the eyebrows. Woo! Yes, if you haven't subscribed yet, just hit that red button over there. Just hit it. Hit it for me. Hit it for me. Just show me some love. And to my fans, thank you so much for keep watching my videos. Yes, I'm here to give you amazing tips. Thank you guys. Thank you all. Bye bye.